Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily disable widgets in Windows 11 step by step. Disabling widgets removes the widgets icon from your taskbar and helps keep your desktop clean. So let's get started. First, click the Start button. Next, open Settings. Then, click on Personalization. Select Taskbar. Next, look for the Widgets option. Turn the Widgets toggle off. Close the settings window. The Widgets icon will now be removed from your taskbar. If you want to enable it again later, simply return to the same setting and turn the Widgets toggle on. And that's it. You've successfully disabled widgets in Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.